favourite spot in all the world is this beach. Doing exams in year 11 and 12, and it all get a little bit too much, you get a little bit in your headspace, and you just need to chill the fuck out, jump on the bike. It's a 2-minute ride from our house to Cable Beach. I wouldn't even go for a swim. I just sit there and listen to the waves roll in and bash against the sand and crash on the rocks. But something was wrong, something was missing. I was doing it differently, I was doing it wrong. I moved to England, and you know what? The water, it was just too damn cold. I needed to be better, I needed help, I needed Budgy Smugglers. So join me, Woodsy, as I battle it out for Chilcompton and I release the rig. Vote for me in Ordinary Rig UK 2022. Ordinary Rig, extraordinary life.